everybody, Gregory here. Now I know with holidays sometimes we go from day to night and we only have a few seconds. So I'm going to share with you using 2 products how to glam up your day look for a holiday ready party. I couldn't think of anybody better to do this quick and easy look on than my buddy, Miss Sirimala. Hey girl!
Hello.
So using just a couple products, my new favorite, Skip the Wash, liquid to powder hair texturizer, of course my trusty hairspray, and a couple little bobby pins, I'm going to show you how to transition this cool lift-in texture into a simple braid that is holiday party ready.